Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official. We are back guys with a new video. So what we're gonna do today guys, first of all there are tons of evolution remaining with the new move set guys. Yes, so very much excited that which the new move set I will get. So we'll do that. And second thing is guys, there is a huge update coming at the July. So we will talk about that which update is going to be coming in the July. And the third thing is we can catch Delibird or Smuggle in the game right now, yes or no guys. So without wasting time guys, let's sit back, relax, and let's get started guys. So guys, here are the pokes which I have to evolve right now, and here you can see guys, and these are the pokes which I have to evolve, and all of them with the new move sets. I'm very much excited that which are the move sets I will get after the update. So now let's put on the lucky egg, and guys let's start evolving, and then with that we'll continue with the update. And the another thing is like the Delibird thing guys. So let's get started. Let's put on the lucky egg over here guys. Done guys, so let's start with this Rhyhorn. So guys, let me know you one thing, that which update is going to come on this 14th of the July guys, on the anniversary of the Pokemon Go. So the huge thing is, the huge update which is going to come is the gem rework guys. Yes, the Niantic has been sure about that update. They have been posted into their Twitter account and everything, and they have said that there will be a huge thing, and the gym rework. What is the actual gym rework guys? Now what you have to do, you have to go to the gym, and what you guys have to do is just tap 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 and then hold on for the powerful moveset guys. So this is a waste of time, like you can just going on tapping without any other thing. So what the gym rework thing is been coming into now, in the gym rework, the thing which is going to be changed is like, first the layout of the gym will be going to change, and second thing that the attacks which will be there in that, like for the normal attack, if you are using a water gun you have to like put some gesture in it, and if you are using a powerful move set with a maximum move set, then also you have to set up gesture, like it will be a edge for the hydro pump. I just came to know that it's not 100% true, but these are the things which will be going to change in the gym guys. So like for the, as I told you, for the hydro pump you have to like make a edge in the gym where without like holding it, and for another attack, for the like dragon scale, you have to perform something star strikes. I just come to know from the Niantic thing guys, you have to perform a star gesture for the dragon tail guys, and there are like tons of new attacks which will be coming in the game, and that you have to be perform by the this all gesture guys. So this will be the huge change. And the another thing is guys, is that the smurfers and the hackers will be stopped from the gym. So this will be the huge good news for them, because all the gym has been taken by these smurfers. So it will be a good thing that there will be a no smurfers and the hackers in the gym right now. Then these are the things which are going to make the new changes in the game, that is known as the gym rework. And for more things, the normal attack also, you just need a tap thing guys. Yes, just going on tapping. Even for that you have to do something, you have to like slice, or you have to do some gesture, which will be a very awesome thing I think so for the gym, because now the gym thing is very boring guys. If you have a like 10 level gym, and if you have to take it down, you have to tap it, and you have to hold for the all the moves guys. So by doing this gym rework, this will be very awesome thing in the game now. So now guys, let's move on to the another thing, a huge thing, which is a Delibird thing guys. Yes, if the Delibird or a Smuggle, both the Pokemons which are not right now in the game, but if they are coming or not guys, yes they will be coming for sure. And why they are not coming, I will let you know that. So first thing, why they are not in the game guys, is the reason because of their attacks guys. Yes, their moves. The first, the Delibird is a Pokemon which gives the game gift guys. Yes, which gives the gift in the Pokemon series. Every series the Delibird is a Santa Claus Pokemon, so it just gives you the gift when you catch it, and even the move of that Pokemon is a present guys. So it's very awesome. so to get a gift from that Pokemon. So now what will be the things when you will catch the Delibird, guys? So if you will catch the Delibird, guys, in a wild, so it will be first of all very rare, guys. And when you will catch the Delibird in a wild, it will surely give you some gifts such as some new Pokeballs or some items or something, a Stardust or something, because it gives you the present, guys. And now let's move on to the moveset. Like there is just two movesets of the Delibird. First is a present and the another thing is a Drill Peck, guys. Drill Peck is a flying type, so it's been not any use in the gym. The Delibird has been not in a use in the gym, but the present is the main thing. What there is a challenge for the Pokemon Go route now, guys. So the present thing is like the present will be a harmful or it will be a good for the Pokemons in the gym, because when you will put a Pokemon in the gym and the Delibird attacks a present, sometimes it just harm the Pokemon, or it just take the CP, and sometimes it just heal the Pokemon which is there. So this is the thing, that's why the Delibird is not in the game, guys. So they have to set the moveset very cool, because when you are like fighting with a Delibird, and if your Delibird just gave a health to a Pokemon which is there in the gym, then then you have just fuck off. So that's why the reason the Delibird is not in the gym, guys. Or there is one more thing that I think so, it will be a regional, I think so, but I'm not sure, because it's a Santa Claus Pokemon, so it can be come at the this December, I think so, in the game, and that will be very huge thing. It can become at the December, and that will be useful for it, because at the event time you can get the Delibird very easily, which can give you the gifts, guys. What is the another thing which will be going to come in the Pokemon Go? So guys, if you have a candy, save it. I know I am not saving it, I'm just going on evolving a Pokemons, but I have a tons of candies. Even you guys would have that. So if you have that, save it, because the double experience event is going to come this July, guys. Yes, it will be there, something, a huge event or update which will be going to come in this July, guys. Your candies and your Stardust, and you can be boom onto the like maximum level, guys. So these are the thing. And what are the new thing, guys? Yes, guys, the Smuggle is also the another Pokemon which is same as the Delibird, guys. Even the Smuggle is having a attack which is called as Sketch, which is not of any use, guys. It just sketches the Pokemon and it just gives the attack of just 20%, guys. So I don't think so, that's why they are not in the game. They are doing something very interesting with that, both the Pokemons. So if they will be coming in the game, there will be an awesome thing. And this is a moveset which I really need now. I will going to be power this up. Things, guys, which will be going to come in the Pokemon Go, guys. So I think so that has been done for the today's video. So I guys just really need to evolve this Pikachu with the hat. I was waiting for a while to do this, and it's finally got like only the time for the evolution, guys. So that's it, guys, for the today's video. And there was a thing, guys, you have seen like what are the new things which are be going to come in the game is the update, a huge update on the July. And the second thing is, guys, the Smuggle and the Delibird Pokemon are in the game, guys. So it is also going to come very soon in the game, but due to their attacks, they are not in the game right now. So that's it, guys, for the today's video. And there will be surely a vlog video and a meetup video coming this week, guys, for sure. So that's it, guys, for today's video, I think. So hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, guys. Like, guys, subscribe, and peace, guys. See ya.